What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online as a beginner, even if you're broke, you have $0 and you have zero experience, nothing. And the funny thing is, when I started making money online and a lot of other people started making money online that are big now and making thousands of dollars per month or per day, we actually started doing this particular method. So this method, guys, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. But not only that, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you my little secret method that you can use to keep this business going, make it sustainable, and actually make money from this particular method for years to come. And on the screen here, guys, you'll see a screenshot down the bottom for $5,000 in one day and $900 in one day. This particular person, I'm going to show you exactly how they are doing this as well, because they are doing this exact method and they've been inside my private group for a while where I teach this type of stuff. Now, this method is very easy to do, guys. It's very easy to understand. You don't need a website to do this, and I'm going to show you how to do this with absolutely no money, and it's perfect for beginners. But before we jump in, guys, make sure you smash that like button, tap that subscribe button, and tap that notification bell so you know when my next video is released. So what am I talking about here, guys? I'm talking about an old school method that's been around for a long time, and the best thing about this method, it's still going today and it's still strong, and this is called launch jacking. Now, launch jacking is an extremely profitable method, but you need to do it properly, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it properly. You're going to need two particular websites that you're going to check every day, every week, or whenever you need to check them, and those two websites are called muncheye.com and jvnotifypro.com. And what these websites are, guys, is people like me and other people in the industry, when we create a product like a course or a software, we need people to promote our product. So we go to these websites and we say, hey, we're going to be launching this product soon. You know, we need some affiliate marketers to jump on board. Now, how much money can you make? Well, you can actually make a lot. So we do think, you know, we were involved in one recently that did $500,000. I've been involved in others that have done over $1 million. People, like a lot of these guys are doing 6 to 7 figures all the time, and you can take a piece of the pie. So these are the two particular websites here, guys, and there are products, courses, software getting uploaded all the time that you can promote for an affiliate commission. Okay, so we're not going to go through exactly these websites, and you know, because it's pretty easy. You got the dates here, they upload them, and you simply go and sign up. So how does it work? Let's take this particular product, guys. You simply click on the link on one of these or one of these, and it's going to take you to a page like this, and you want to open up the JV Zoo page, okay? And this is where all the information is. And it's got the time that's going to be released. It's got the date. It's got 11 days left. It's got the sign up. So become a JV partner. You can sign up and become an affiliate. And it's got all of this stuff. It's got the pricing. You get 50% commission, guys, of all of this stuff here. You get all the emails you need if you want to do that, but we're not going to be doing emails. And best of all, guys, you get into a prize pool of prize money. These guys are giving away an extra $20,000 plus an extra $25,000 of money as well on top of the commission. So an extra $50,000, which is extremely good. Now you might be thinking to yourself, well, how do I promote something like this when I don't actually have access to the product? So let me show you some examples and stuff and kind of how this works. And it works extremely well. And I'm going to show you someone that I've been working with who does extremely well with this as well. So what we do, guys, is we go to YouTube and we make videos for these particular products. And it's actually very easy to do. So we put in Kaivo Review, which is this particular product here, and they did a release over a year ago. They're doing another release, and these videos got 4,000 views, 2,000 views, 2,100 views. These videos are making money. And there's also another example here, guys, Snappy Shop. And Snappy Shop is the same kind of thing. These particular people made reviews of these products and all that sort of stuff, right? So let's just have a quick look at this, guys. All they do is they go through the product and explain kind of how it works, right? And here's another one here. Literally the easiest videos you can do, and it takes 20, 30 minutes to do this. But you might be asking yourself, how do I get a hold of this program? Once you sign up, guys, you simply ask them, hey, I want to do a video on this. Can I have a review copy? 99.9% of the time, they're going to give you a review copy because they want you to actually go out and promote this product. The more people promoting, the more money they make. So you get free access to the product that you can then do a review on and upload videos to YouTube. You don't need money, guys, nothing. And you don't need a website. And to prove this works, this is Jono, and Jono does the exact same thing I'm telling you right now. Look, this is the proof, and he's made over, he makes thousands of dollars. Look, $5,000 in a day, $900 in a day, and every single day he's making hundreds and thousands of dollars by doing this exact same method. Now we can even dive deeper into this, guys. We don't even have to use these particular ones here, but there's another website, guys, called ClickFunnels, and they do the same thing. So they launch these products. Here's an example here, the 30-day challenge, okay? And this is a particular product that they just launched, and they go and actually put it on these websites as well to get affiliate partners coming in. Now, this particular product, guys, is super simple to promote as well. You get $100 per sale. $100, guys. I've made $3,000 and I've hardly even promoted this particular product. How, all you need is 10 people to buy this and you've made $1,000. And as you can see here, guys, this person here didn't even need to get the product. He simply did a video explaining the product. You just scrolled down the page, so like this, scrolled down the page, explaining the product, explaining how it worked, what was involved, and the bonuses and stuff. And he basically shows you that, and then he's got a link in here to go and get the product, and it's had 7,000 views. And once again, he just ranks it for things like one funnel away challenge review. See, one funnel away challenge, 30-day summit review, and inside look. So he must have actually got access to this particular one. But a lot of these guys, they just scroll down and talk about it and give their opinion on it. And people come in, guys, and click on the links, and this is an affiliate link, and it goes to this product here. And whenever someone makes the purchase, he gets an affiliate commission. There's also another product that ClickFunnels has. I've not made any money with this one, but this is called the 10x Secrets program. And they've got all this stuff, guys. You can make $100, $38, $100, and $200 in this particular product. They also gave away prizes as well. And once again, if you go, this is it here actually, once you get your link, they go to here. If you go to YouTube, guys, once again, people are doing reviews on this particular product, guys. This is nothing new. This is called launch jacking. This is the best way to get into affiliate marketing as a beginner. This is the best way to learn how to make money online as a beginner, even if you're broke, because you literally do not need any money. I'm telling you right now, you need zero. Anybody can get their phone or get a screen. I'm using Camtasia right now to record my screen, and you can find free ones, and you can literally record your screen talking about a product and put your affiliate link in, and you will get visits and sales when they launch the product. And with my course, guys, here's my course here. Affiliates aren't open right now, but this is my course, and this guy's had 2,500 views, and he's still getting views today. He's still making money today. And to prove that it works, I pay my affiliates out an average of $800 to $700 to $1,000, even $2,000 per day. So this works extremely well. I have some affiliates that I'm paying up to $30,000 per month on some of my products. And a lot of them are going out and doing videos on YouTube like this. Now, I don't give away review copies, guys. I ain't going to be doing that because my stuff's expensive. But these guys have purchased my content. They've gone in. It's helped them. They've done video reviews on my courses and my softwares and stuff like that. And they get affiliate commissions as well from doing this. If we go Ecom Elites Review and go to search, you'll see there's people here. See, look, he's at the top, and there's other people who have done videos on my particular courses and stuff like that, guys. So it's extremely easy to do. Go and find products that are getting released into the market. Sign up as an affiliate marketer. Ask them for a review copy. Go and do a review of the particular product and upload it to YouTube before they launch the product. Now, you will get most of your sales in the first week of the launch. It will start to slow down again, but you'll still get consistent sales forever from this product, even though it will slow down again. But how do you actually take it to the next level? Well, guys, you want to build an email marketing list. So what I recommend you do is when you actually put a link into YouTube down here, instead of linking straight to the affiliate product, link to a page that collects an email. And then you can build out your own affiliate marketing list. Now, I'm going to actually leave a free course down below on how you can actually use this program, ClickFunnels, to build out an email list and build out funnels and stuff like that and connect it to an autoresponder and build an email list. Then what you do, guys, is once someone actually signs up, we will just go into here. We will direct them to the affiliate page. Now, this one doesn't direct to the affiliate page, it directs to this page, but I will teach you how you can direct it to an affiliate page. So then what you do, guys, is you're building out this email list. Then when another product gets released in the future, you can simply say, hey, there's a new product coming out. And this is exactly what Jono does. He started off small, guys, then he built it up, and built an email list of people that are interested in more products. And 6 months, 7 months down the track, you could have 10,000 people on your email list. You could send out one email and make $10,000. Yes, that is right. Every subscriber on your list is worth at least $1. I have an email list of over 200,000 people, and when I do, it's pretty old now, it's not as active as I'd like, but when I jump into affiliate marketing competitions, guys, I usually do $50,000, $100,000, $150,000 sometimes on these affiliate marketing things because I built up a massive email list over all this time. And that is the secret to making this work, is to build an email list so you can keep promoting when these new products come onto the market, guys. So if you want to learn how to build funnels and build an opt-in form, make sure you hit the link below. Now, if you want to learn how to make money online with some of my other methods, guys, I will leave some videos up on the screen in a playlist where you can learn how to do affiliate marketing step by step. And don't forget, guys, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, hit subscribe so you get notified when my next video comes out. And for now, go and check out my other videos, and I'll see you when my next video is released.